doing is some hand auging today, putting in our Trelona stations. Garrett is starting the entry hole with the penetrating auger. Then I'll come back in with this, do the clean out auger, set the station for station number 1. Okay, so putting termite protection around your home is essential here in the South. For every acre of land in Alabama, there are 3 termite colonies. Average termite colony is about 500,000 termites. Now, termites eat from the inside out, so they can create a lot of damage before you even know that they're there. Protection like this, like the Trelona stations, will definitely go a long way to protect your home. Okay, well, we just completed another install of the Trelona termite base stations. Me and Garrett put in 17 stations around this home today. It took us a little more than about an hour to get everything done. We started off with stations here at the roof line of the house down here in the ground, every 10 to 20 feet all the way around, ending up with station number 17 right over here. Everything went in line well, no issues. The house is now protected.